Gigabyte has responded to the exploding power supply accusations, blames the media. So basically, I'm just going to read Gigabyte's statement, then we're all going to laugh. Gigabyte is aware of certain media outfits casting doubt over the quality of power supply models GP P850GM and GP P750GM. We were made aware by third parties of concerns regarding potential issues of these models tripping at high wattages when tested via DC electronic load equipment for extended lengths of time, repeatedly close to the 120% to 150% over power protection trigger point. This level of extended testing could severely reduce the lifespan of the product and the components of these power supplies. Okay, the problem is that Gamers Nexus saw failures before excessive use, and many of them failed in 2 minutes or less. Apparently nothing went more than 10 minutes. Gigabyte is offering to replace your unit if your serial number is within the proper ranges that they have decided, and so I guess you guys are going to have to go check out the details on that. Let's see, Gamers Nexus, this is the video. Does Extreme Tech have a link for how you can contact Gigabyte support here? Yes, they do have the serial number. So anything from SN20343 G031011 to, you know what, I'm not going to bother reading it. There it is. It's down there. So if you have any serial number within that range, you can get a replacement. And a big part of the reason so many people have these power supplies was due to the Newegg Shuffle. And it kind of feels like to a lot of people that a kind of lousy product was being forced on buyers so that they could get a chance to get a graphics card. Not that they would be playing Halo Infinite on that graphics card, because...
Hold on, wait. I love that segue, so I apologize for taking that from you. I'm sorry, but you got to check out the image I sent you on Discord. This was posted on Reddit by user InstilledB. I'm hoping they created it. I don't see credits for it.
Very
so
nice.
I'm hoping they created it. And it's hilarious, and I feel like it's happening. So I wanted to make sure people saw it.
I mean, that's the thing. They got to understand, Steve, he's like a dog with a bone, man. He doesn't give up. It's not like your little statement is going to make the crappy power supply go away. Like, he's in the process right now of soliciting his community to send him these power supplies so that he can continue to test them and continue to demonstrate across a wider sampling of them that they are bad. So, I mean, the truth will come out. And the good thing about Steve is that if he does ultimately discover that, nope, he just happened to get a bad batch, I do expect him to own that. So, yeah, I'll be paying very close attention to this one in the coming weeks.
Yeah.